Alright guys, so I installed this already right here, the new one. So here's a moment of truth. See if it turns on. The light should turn on, and as long as this light turns on, I know it's going to work. So hold on. Light didn't turn on. Hold on. I put the battery in there. Hold on. Oh, there you go. It worked. See, the battery, the headlamp is working now. So it worked. So there you go, y'all. So here was the problem. It's just the original 20-year-old bike. Things start wearing out. Here's the original. Cable started being exposed. Probably burned out in there. I don't know. Replaced it with a new one. Bought it at the dealership over South Austin Cowboy Harley for like less than 80 bucks. Comes with 2 keys, and yeah, it works now, man. I mean, just of course the signal lights work and everything, and just need to put the tank back on and button it up, and it should work. So like I said, if you guys are having problems with your motorcycle and the headlamp don't turn on, but the horn works, the signal lights work, and the neutral light, these lights turn on and everything, but it doesn't turn over, it's because you're probably gonna need one of these. Alright, it was easy to install, and I'm not a professional, but you know, I saved myself money on labor, and I did this by myself. Just follow the instructions. I recommend y'all buy one of these. Alright, buy one of those. That's it.